So this is the KTM for this year and next year and so on and so on. This is a little, I thought I would do a little quick what I have done, a couple of mods to this bike. Besides the ones you see. As you know, 2023 bike, they come with some different levers. And those are for scooters, so I had to replace all that to get a heated grips on. Costly, but surely something that's really needed, especially living where I'm living. It's today the Austin Racing AR slip-on mini version 3, I think it is. Sounds like really nice to the bike. As you can see, I got the Brembo RCS, 16 for the clutch and 17 for the brakes. It works out really lovely. And also for not for stopping, that's just for show, but the performance power parts, wave discs. Yeah, I had them, so why not? The seat has also power parts. I got hold of an Austin Racing pure carbon tail cowl, and had been laying around, and why not? I think if it's a bike, I don't know, I have to treat it with something. I got my little tiny mirror. A lot of people ask me about. It's just a bicycle mirror that I fitted. Works actually really good. We got a power parts windscreen saver. I didn't think that did a big difference, but it does. It so does. I laid some protective cover on the headlight. I also laid it on the forks with some PPF film, some stickers in the front. I bought you can't see it actually. It is a radiator guard, of course. You need that. I had a lot of luck in the last couple of years, but then one little stone changed the whole a whole trip. I found a nice power parts steering damper. Never had any issues with the old one, but I got a good price, so I thought, like, why not try it? I have to try it to know what I'm talking about, or know the thing. The KTM indicators were a pain in the ass to fit. Some custom brackets for the reservoirs. They work like really good. Power parts, crash bar kit. Don't see many bikes that got it. I think it looks actually really good. I don't want a big cage. That's too bulky for me. I got a tail tidy with some small motor gadget, I think those indicators are. I got it from a shop in England. Pricey with the with the whole Brexit thing, but it fits well, looks well. Oh, it's worth it. I changed the pegs to Puigs. Way better grip than stock. They are like really shitty. So don't know why a lot of people don't do that. And also put that in the rear position on the pegs. Also, a lot of people don't like, apparently, when you get your feet back. Oh, don't know. I got one of those. That was the best mod, and man, why didn't I do that on my last bike? That's the Race Torque's gear support. It's super, like really good. I put on an Oberon because I had it also laying around. I had a lot of issues with my last clutch. Heated grips, as I said. What else have I done? A screen protector, of course. They're gonna rip it off when the braking is done. It's a really shitty bike now, but the weather is like 6 degrees outside, so yay. So what do you think? Nice bike? Did I do something bad, something good? The sound is as my full-on Acropovich that I had on my last bike. A bit meatier though. I'm getting I got one more part, and that's some sticky grip for here from Easy Grip. They are. I had it on my last bike. They work absolute a treat. So, what do you think? Give me some comments.